Hi guys, it's Jackie from the basement, happy with the Twist Acrylic Pores Plus, trying to adjust my camera so you can see every little bit here. Alrighty, is that good? Is that good? Let's make sure this is screwed in. Yes, it is. How is everybody this Sunday evening? I hope you're doing great. I have already put down some Amsterdam Oxide Black. And on top of that, I have put some yes I did. Okay, Amsterdam Titanium White. I filled those yesterday, or attempted to. Tonight that's my chair. We're going to do something funky, and I'm not quite sure what. So bear with me. Do I just want to do a black and white? Do I want to put some color into here? And is that a princess hair on there already? I wouldn't be surprised. Alright, let's dip down in here into the colors. And let's grab some Arteza Mauve Pale. Something just distracted me. I don't know what moved. Okay, so let's get some of this on here. And this is going to be a blowout. I'm hoping. We will see. Alrighties. And what other color shall we use? Hummy dummy dum dum dum. Alright, Deco Art Metallics Peacock Pearl. Usually something that is a pearl or along those lines will probably most likely give us cells. I can't be positive. Sometimes you don't know. Anything shimmery should. It should. Now, what other color do we want, guys? I'm trying to find. We don't want turquoise. Nope. I just pull these back down in there. No, we don't want phthalo green. That's my chair again. There we go. We want the apple barrel bright blue. Because this seems to, I don't know how, it seems to make cells. So let's just drizzle this around. Do we want a pink in here, do you think? Yeah. Let's see what we got. We do have a neon pink. But do we want to go that crazy is my question. Yes or no? I don't know. We're doing this on a whim. I finally got dressed at 6 o'clock. Got the, okay, we're going to do a little bit of pink. Got the, what is it called? It's an oven. Goodness gracious. Got that going. I'm going to make some barbecue chicken legs. Annie got me stuck on those. Yes, and I'm now going back to it because they're cheaper. The chicken legs are much cheaper than anything else. I swear they are. And do not, I swear guys, do not buy Tyson brand. I hate saying this, but their meat has gone to crap. Alrighty. Let's get the blower going and see what can be done here. Again, the chair. Alrighty. If you have anything in your ears, please take them out. Here we go. Ooh, that's nice. That's kind of warm. It feels good. Okay. Okay. Not liking that straight line there. You guys see the cells popping up in there? And I believe that is from the apple barrel bright blue. So, and that does not have any glisten to it. So I do not understand how it is doing that, but it is. I'm not going to question it. I'm just going to say hallelujah. Dip my finger into this paint here. Boop, boop, boop. Getting these corners. I'm touching up the corners by the runoff by the corner, if that makes sense. Okay. Alrighty, there we go. These should make some nice skins. Alright, let's find a paper towel. Or did I throw them all away? That's quite possible. Here's how the last one turned out, which I'm quite happy with. Alright, let's grab a paper towel. Somehow, we're going to grab a paper towel that's underneath all this crap. Okay, we got it. All I want to do is just clean off one little finger. Just one. You know what I think this needs is a little bit of glitter. I'm thinking it does. Now just to find the glitter. Aha. Ta-ta. You can watch the cells grow. There's a princess here. Princess does not charge extra for her hair being in these. I've asked her and she says, no, Mom, it's okay. It's all right. Are you sure? Yes, I'm positive. Oh, dear. Okay, guys. Ooh, that looks like an eyeball growing there. What is that going to be? Alrighty. I wish I could tell you where I got these glitters from, but I do not remember. I would really like to get into the epoxy, the resin, so I could top these off and make them also pretty and shiny like they are now. But I don't have room for another craft. So, yeah. Alrighty, here we go. We're coming down for a close-up, guys. Get those helmets and seat belts on. Because you do not know if I'm going to accidentally drop you or not. Yes. Oh, and this is a 10 by 20. Okay, 10 by 20. Here we go, guys. Alright, so far we got a good hold on ya. Excuse my background there. Alrighty. Ooh, looky here's. Ooh, these are going to be pretty pretties. I like. Sometimes when I don't plan out colors, they turn out better. I don't know how I got that on my finger, but okay. Alrighties. This has a lot of movement to it, doesn't it? Got some metal here. I see a mushroom in there. Let's see if I can find it again. It's right there. It's the bottom of the mushroom and the top. Goodness, my hands look so yellow under there. They aren't really, they're not. Okay, alrighty guys. Well, thank you so much for joining me this Sunday early evening. I hope everybody has a great week ahead. And thank you to my subscribers. You guys are fabulous. Chair is going to move again. Here we go. And I will put the colors down below in the description and put my affiliate with it, so you know right where to go to find the colors that if you'd like to purchase them. So, and there's also other things down below in the description. So, I want to thank you again, guys, and we will see you next time on Happy with a Twist, Acrylic Porous Plus. Bye-bye for now, guys.